opening ceremony of our brand new SIS KG Northeast Jakarta campus.
When we thought about constructing a new building, we also study the office spaces of the companies like Google's and the Amazons of the world. Why these big corporates are investing in biophilic designs, a design which is close to the nature. And that is what inspired us.
Congratulations, sis, for the new building. It's very good ambience.
We hope that our children can learn better in this new building.
The school is so big.
Yeah, the new classrooms are amazing.
The food is actually quite great. The best thing in my class is my teacher.
So, students, this is your new home. All of these spaces are here for you to explore, to try out different things, and to be your creative self.
So now SIS KG Northeast Jakarta campus is officially open.
The facilities are amazing. The field looks amazing.
It's nice to see that it's like such an open space, so you can like have a lot of room to breathe.
My favorite facility is the music room, especially it has the podcast room, so I feel like it will benefit a lot of students.
For me, I think I'm the most excited about the rooftop view because we can see the lake and stuff, and I'm really excited about the lake.
I'm very excited to be moving here.
The kids are so lucky to have such a beautiful school. Good luck to all the kids.